XchangeOn review. Is it legit or scam? XchangeOn presents itself as an online financial service platform offering cryptocurrency trading, arbitrage, P2P, spot, and swap features. So it offers crypto trading, arbitrage, and swap services. It claims to provide an ecosystem with its own token for discounts, and it has a polished interface with trading dashboard visuals. So it offers some pros. So apparently some user reviews on Trustpilot appears it has a low fees and ease of use and arbitrage opportunities. But it comes with a downside. It's not licensed or regulated by any recognized financial authority. There's also no verifiable company details like registration data or contact info. And it has some scam detection site flags we have XchangeOn with a very low trust score. So in conclusion, XchangeOn appears highly suspicious and is likely a scam, despite glowing user reviews and lack of regulatory oversight, absent company information, and numerous user complaints about transactions. Avoid putting funds into this platform.